You spend months building an expert advisor. You launch it on Monday, and by Wednesday, you find it distributed across multiple piracy forums. Every stolen copy carries a tri-fold cost. You lose the direct sale, you get zeros in your support inbox from the pirates themselves, and your reputation suffers permanent damage when users run outdated, buggy versions you have already fixed. The MQL5 market provides some native protection for products sold there. However, if you sell directly through Gumroad, your personal website, or via client invoices, you are entirely exposed. Every month spent backtesting and building an algorithm is wasted if the distribution framework is compromised upon release. Developers often try to secure their code locally, but hard-coded account numbers offer zero real security. Anyone with basic tools can locate your account string in the compiled binary, highlight it, and replace it in minutes. Text file licenses face the same issue. If your EA requires a local file to run, a pirate will suavely upload your binary and the text file, bundling them together for unrestricted distribution. Internal logic checks, like verifying a specific broker name or a 30-day time limit, are patched out almost instantly by motivated attackers. Any security measure that lives locally on the user's hard drive is controlled by the attacker. Local protection is a structural impossibility. To protect an expert advisor, pull the license verification out of the local binary and move it to a remote environment. This process is called account binding. The EA must securely match the user's specific account number and broker externally before it is allowed to initialize. The EA sends a request to an external database, returning a strict allow or deny command. Building this architecture carries a massive burden. The list of internal requirements includes backend hosting, database management, and API maintenance, requiring weeks of development and exceeding $1,500. Moving validation to the cloud is the only mathematical way to maintain authority over a compiled file after it leaves your computer. There is an alternative to custom development. You can utilize a managed self-service platform that requires zero DevOps experience. Start by registering for an account. This generates your unique vendor ID and an API key. Next, download the specific library file required for either your MT4 or MT5 environment. Warning tone: pay close attention to this step. Do not place this new file into the include folder. Doing so will cause the integration to fail. You must place the file exactly in the libraries directory. This placement is non-negotiable for the system to properly route external API requests. Establishing the correct structural environment is what separates a successful security integration from hours of frustrating syntax errors. Now, open your uncompiled source code file inside the meta editor application. Add the required import statement at the very top of your file. This links the newly placed library to your code. Next, insert the API validation call specifically inside the on and init function. This ensures the check runs immediately when the EA is attached to a chart. The conditional logic is strict. If the API response is deny, program the EA to print a terminal error and immediately halt execution. These three concise lines of code transform a vulnerable, static binary file into an intelligent, permission-based application. With the code in place, return to your web dashboard to take control of your newly integrated software. When you get a legitimate client, you manually bind their details to a new license by entering their account number and broker into the dashboard. If you need to revoke access, instantly block an active user with a single click. The EA will completely halt on its next tick. Remote control over the binary ensures that you maintain authority over every copy of your software, providing the specific control required to run a professional and enforceable software business. If you already have active users, you might fear that adding this protection will break access for your paying customers. The first rule of migration handles this risk. You must generate and issue licenses in the new system for all current users before the updated EA is ever compiled. This diagram shows the rollout timeline. Deploy a grace period strategy. Ship the updated EA to log warnings for 7 to 14 days without actually blocking execution. This phased window isolates unauthorized copies while giving legitimate users ample time to activate. It keeps your support tickets to an absolute minimum. True algorithmic protection is about implementing a professional architecture that allows your trading software business to confidently scale.